Everyone, welcome back. Today we will start multiplying by 100. Nextly we will see multiplying a two-digit number with a single digit number without regrouping or with regrouping. We will see. Now first we'll start with multiplying by 100. Let's see first example. Whenever we multiply any number, suppose I am multiplying here 6 into 100. I am multiplying 6 into 100. At that time what we do, we know that whenever we multiply any number with 1, we get the answer number itself. That is means 6 ones are 6. Next what we do, how many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. That 2 zeros we will write here as it is. Understood? Now see, suppose I am multiplying here 2 into 300. 2 multiplied by 300. First what we will do, we will multiply these two numbers. 2 3s are 6. We will multiply only the numbers. 2 3s are, what 2 3s are? 6. Then how many zeros are there here? 1, 2. That 2 zeros we will write as it is. So 2 multiplied by 300, which is equal to 600. See one more example. 5 multiply 300. 5 multiply 300. Can you tell me what 5 3s are? 5 3s are 15. We will write 5 3s are 15. Now what we will do? We will write these two zeros as it multiply 300, which is equal to 1500. Like same, whenever we multiply any number, suppose we are multiplying 2 multiplied by 10. Whenever we multiplying any number with 10, then what will be the answer? These 2 ones are 2. How many zeros are here in the 10? 1. So we will write this 1 0 here. 3 multiply 20. 3 multiply by 20. Multiply these numbers first. 3 2s are 6. And what is remaining here? 1 0. That 0 we will write as it is. Why we are writing 0 as it is? We know that whatever number we multiply with 0, the answer we get only 0. As in 10, 1 0 is here. So that we are writing only 1 0. In 100, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So we will write 2 zeros. Whatever number may be. Number may be whatever. Okay. See, 7 multiply 100. Can you tell me what will be the answer? 7 multiplied by 100. 7 ones are 7. This number we will write as it is. Now these 2 zeros we will write. That is 7 multiplied by 100 is equal to 700. 7 multiplied by 10. What will be the answer? 7 we will write as it is. How many zeros are there? 1 0. So we will write 1 0. If you are multiplying 7 into 1000. 7 into 1000. 7 ones are 7. How many zeros are there in 1000? 1, 2, 3. So we will write how many zeros? 3 zeros. Understood? Clear this? We will see multiplying a two-digit number with a single-digit number. First number is 13 multiplied by 3. So firstly we will write the place value. Do you remember the place values? Ones, tens. As we are writing only two-digit numbers. What are the numbers? 13. Put the sign of multiplication. Multiply by 3. Have you learned the tables? Now, whenever we start multiplication, we start from the ones place. Then multiply. First we will multiply 3 into 3. Can you tell me what is 3 multiplied by 3? 3 3s are 9. then we multiply by same number with the number which is on the tens place. The number which is on the tens place. That is means 3 ones are. Whenever we multiply any number with 1, what we get? We get same answers. So 3 ones are 3. So 13 multiply 3 is equal to 39. We will see second example. 62. Put the sign of multiplication. Multiply 1. Start multiplication from ones place. What is the number by which we are going to multiply? 1. So start 1 to za. Whenever we multiply by 1 to any number, the answer will be number itself. So 1 to za 2 and 1 6 za 6. 62 multiply 1 is equal to 62. Now see one more example. 48 multiply by 2. 48 multiply 2. Start multiplication. Start from the ones place. 2 8 za. What is 2 8 za? 16. 6 on the ones place and 1 at tens place. So what we will do here? We will write this 6 where? On the ones place and this ones which is on the tens place. What we will do with this one? We will put over the tens place as a carry. Already we learned in the addition. So this one we will write here on the tens place as a carry. Now we will multiply by this 2 to the 4. Then tell me what is 2 4s are? 2 4s are 8 and we will add this 1 which is carry. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So 48 multiply 2 which is equal to 96. Understood everyone? See, multiplying a 3-digit number with single digit number. See the first one. First we will write the place values ones, tens and 100. What is the number? First 302. Put the sign of multiplication. By which number we are going to multiply? 2. Write down 2. Start multiplication from the ones place. 2 2s are 4. Write on the ones place. Now the number on tens place is 0. So 2 multiply 0 is equal to, whenever we multiply any number to the 0, we get answer 0 itself. Now 2, the number on 100 place is 3. So 2 3s are 6. Write down this 6 on 100 place. So 302 multiply 2 is equal to 604. Now see the second one. What is the second one? 121 multiply 3. Multiply 3. Start multiplication from the ones place. 3 ones are 3. Number on tens place is 2. So 3 2s are is equal to 6. And the number on 100th place is 1. So 3 ones are 3. We will write this 3 on 100th place. So 121 multiply by 3 is equal. Now see third one. What is the number? 232. The number by which we are going to multiply, that is 4. Start multiplication from the ones place. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 2 is on ones place and 1 is on tens place. So this 2 will write here on the tens place and this one will carry over on the 100th place. So 4 3s are 12. 2 we have written on tens place and 1 we have written on over the 100th place as a carry. Now multiply the number on 100th place is 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So 232 multiplied by 4 is equal to 928. Understood? Next, word problems. First one, what information is given here? See, Hari reads 10 pages every day of a book. How many pages does he reads in a day? We have to calculate how many pages he reads in a day. As in one day, how many pages he is reading? He is reading 10 pages. So in 8 days, how many pages he will read? Now, what we will write here now? First one, number of pages he reads every day of a book. Number of pages he reads every day of a book. How many number of pages he is reading every day? 10. Now what we have to calculate here? Number of pages he read in 8 days. Number of pages he reads in 8 days. That we have to calculate. We have to calculate the number of pages he reads in 8 days. So what we will do here? We will multiply this 10 into 8. Write down here ones, tens. What is the number here? The number of pages he is reading every day, that is 10. Then in 8 days, how many pages he will read? So we will multiply. Start multiplication. 8 into 0, 0, 8 ones are 8. So how many pages he will read in how many days? 8 days. He will read 80 pages. 80 pages he will read in 8 days. Understood? See the next one. Mrs. Gupta gives 3 samosas each to the 142 children. How many samosas does she give in all? What information is given here? She gives how many samosas? 3 samosas. What is total number of children? 142. So firstly, what we will write here? Number of samosas she gave to each child. She gave to each child. That is 3. And second information is given, that is total number of children. So we will write here number of children. Number of children. What is the number of children? 142. So what we will calculate here? Total number of samosas she gives in all. That we have to find out. So what we will do here? We will multiply total number of children and the number of samosa each child got. Do here? What is the total number of children? 142 and number of samosa each child got, that is 3. Start multiplication from the ones place. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. This 2 we will write on the tens place and this one we will write here over the 100 place as a carry. Multiply this 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So how many samosas she gave to all children? 426 in all. 426 samosas she gave in all. Understood?